best flowering wines to add vertical color to your garden. Hello friends. Welcome to Gardener's Gardening. There are plenty of perennial wines. Typically they may take a few seasons to become well established. Be aware of how much sun or shade your plant requires to thrive. They will need a trellis or a structure to find space to climb. To get them started, just gently place their tiny, curling tendrils on the trellis, and they will do the rest of the work with natural ease. Install the trellis when planting your seeds, so you don't have to disturb the roots later in their growing cycle. Mind it. Many vines grow rapidly, and some species are not appropriate for all areas. Check local nurseries to make sure you are choosing a vine that is right for your garden. Number 1. Morning Glory. Morning glories live up to their name, opening in the morning sunshine. They need at least 6 to 8 hours direct sun and moist, well-draining neutral soil. This is a fast-growing flowering vine that can easily grow up to 10 feet tall, will climb trellises, railings, and other supports with ease. Number 2. Star Jasmine. This delicate-looking perennial vine has creamy white flowers with the most heavenly sweet scent. It's spectacular on a fence, arbor, or wall, though it takes a few years to become well established. The plant prefers full sun to partial shade, well-draining, slightly acidic fertile soil. Commonly called Confederate jasmine, can grow up to 6 feet tall. Number 3. Mandevilla. Pink, red or white blossoms cover this tropical vine and last all summer long. It likes full sun but needs a little afternoon shade in hot climate. Mandevilla is considered an annual in temperate climates but is an evergreen plant in warmer regions. The plant needs at least 6 to 8 hours of full sun, well-draining acidic to neutral soil. Regular pruning will encourage blooming during the growing season, and it can grow up to 10 feet tall. Number 4. Clematis. Many different kinds of clematis are available. Some bloom in spring, some in the fall, and some bloom all season long. The flowers come in every color, from palest pink to deep purple. They like their heads in full sun, but prefers their root to be shaded, so plant other plants at their base to help shelter their roots. They like moist, well-draining neutral to slightly alkaline soil, and it can grow up to 10 feet tall. Number 5. Honeysuckle. This hardy perennial vine has gorgeous tube-shaped flowers. Make sure you choose Lonicera sempervivens or Periclymenum, not the invasive Japanese honeysuckle or Lonicera japonica, which will take over your entire garden. The plant needs partial shade to full sun, nutrient-rich moist, well-drained neutral to slightly acidic soil, and it can grow up to 15 feet tall. Number 6. Black-eyed Susan vine. It works well in pots and in hanging baskets, as well as climbing a trellis. It is considered a perennial in hot climates. Give it full sun with afternoon shade or partial shade. Give it nutrient-rich moist, slightly acidic to slightly alkaline soil. Cheerful 5-petaled flowers come in shades of yellow, orange, apricot, coral, white with an eye-catching dark center that blooms continuously from summer to fall, and it can grow up to 8 feet tall. Number 7. Passion flower. Add tropical flair to borders and containers with passion flower. The exotic blooms are multi-layered, with a base of rounded petals topped by a collar of thin radiating filaments and a vertical antenna-like center. Flowers, which bloom from summer into fall, are purple, blue, red, pink, white or multicolored. Use this vigorous, quick-growing vine as a screen to cover a fence or an arbor. The plant needs full sun to partial shade, and it can grow up to 8 feet tall. Number 8. Trumpet vine. Also known as trumpet creeper, is one of the best flowering plants to attract birds and butterflies. Lush foliage provides an attractive backdrop to clusters of large funnel-shaped flowers in colors of red, orange or yellow that appears in summer. Use this deciduous vine as a screening on an arbor or pergola, large enough to support its weight. The plant also needs full sun to partial shade. Trumpet vine can grow up to 40 feet tall. Some other very nice flowering vines are chocolate vine, bougainvillea, Hoya carnosa, nasturtium, firecracker vine, false hydrangea vine, climbing hydrangea, cup and saucer vine, purple bell vine, Carolina jasmine, sweet pea, wisteria, cypress vine, scarlet runner bean, moonflower, hyacinth bean, etc. All these flowering vines are good for fences, arbors and trellis, and take your garden to gorgeous heights with these flowering vines with life and color. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to press the like button, share it with your friends and family members, and please subscribe this channel to stay tuned with us for future uploads. Take care of your green friends and keep them happy. God bless you and thanks for your time.